Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today let's review the trades that we have taken on Jan 10th 2022 and the logic behind the trades and what was the outcome for today. So market again opened with a gap up which is more than 100 points or close to 100 points, and today the entire day was almost sideways. It did not make much move, so it wasn't a great day for me too. So for option sellers, ideally it should be fine even if it is a sideways day, but I did a small mistake which gave us a little bit loss for the day. So we'll go through what happened and how it happened. So market opened with a gap up and I did not enter any trade as usual because I was waiting for a clear signal, and first signal came here when it support here, but I have not taken any position as it was too early to get into the market. Wasn't very clear, and the first 5 minutes candle is also indicating a neutral behavior. It is neither bullish nor bearish. It was kind of very neutral, as it is having very long wicks on both sides which are of almost equal size. So I wanted to wait at least if it will break the first 15 minutes high, which is here, and here it has come. However, I still did not enter considering the reason that MACD is converging and I was expecting consolidation at this point, so I did not enter any position, and it went down. It took a support here, and it started bouncing back. Since it took support and it started going back up, the support is on the moving averages. So generally what happens is that when it's taking support near moving averages, it tends to continue with the trend. Second, today is a narrow CPR day, so I was expecting a rally instead of a sideways movement, but it wasn't as expected. I mean, if you see the end of the day chart, we will understand that it is not a rally, but at least when we are in the market during the market hours, around this time I was in a thought process that it started again taking support, so it should continuously go up from here. That was my assumption. So I was holding to take a position, and after 11.5, after this green candle has completely formed above this moving average, I have taken a position. I have taken an entry of put sell. However, I did not take an at the money. I have taken out of the money put, which is 17,900. I have strike price. I have given a sell. Sell was given at 11.11, and which is in this candle. The moment I have taken that position, it started falling down and it hit our stop loss. Our stop loss was exactly hit in this candle, which is very unfortunate because after this point it started going up, but it's okay. Sometimes our stop loss hits and we should respect that. So the loss that we made in this was 1200, which is approximately less than 3%. For the capital that was blocked, we were trading with one lot. I'll show you the trades. We were trading with one lot, and for which the block, the amount that was blocked is around 45,000. So around 1200 is blocked. I think it's more than 3% approximately. So or less than 3%, somewhere around that. So after that it started bouncing back. I did not take an entry yet. See, these three candles are clearly indicating it's a good bounce back. It started going up, it should recover, but I have not entered any position because we already lost once today in the first trade. Second, even there is a bounce back, the MACD is still bearish signal. Moving averages are also bearish signal, and the candles are below the moving averages, so I wanted to wait for a good signal. So we got a signal in MACD in this candle somewhere here. So we took a position here. I think in this candle we have taken a position. Reason we have taken is, again, it's because it's above moving averages, and it is giving a crossover in MACD, and it is close to the support that it was taken previously here, somewhere here. So we have taken a position entry here. After that, again, almost for the entire day, it is a very narrow range of 20 points, 25 points within Nifty. So there wasn't much decay. Again, the position was the same. 17,900 put was sold, and the entire day it was sideways. And finally, at 3 o'clock, it reached the R2. That is when we have exited. So, like I keep saying in my previous videos, I exit between 245 and 3. Today also sharp 3-1. I have exited the positions and closed the day. So we recovered some of the loss that we made, and finally we ended up with a loss of 590 overall on one lot. So that's the trades that we had today, and these are the orders like I was explaining. So first trade we took 17,900 to put at 11, and stop loss was hit at 1235, 1148, and we took another position at 1235 and exited at 3 o'clock. So these are the trades that we made, and the loss that we had incurred today is 590. So which is 1.3%. So last week we made 3% on Friday and 3% on Thursday, so 6%, and we had to lose 1.3%. So we are still net to net on some profit for the one lot trading that we have started. I hope so. The mistake that we did is early entry here without an MACD signal and without a proper 100% clarity. I made an early entry which caused a good loss, and I wish I will not do this kind of mistake again. And I hope this will be useful for you also, whoever is watching the video. And I think I'm clear with my entry and exit strategies that I had today, and that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching the video. See you again later. Please subscribe the video if you have not yet, and please like the video.